You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly. We're famous for being the name of a syndrome, a chromosome, and normally, if you want to learn more confusing medical terms, names of famous scientists, stay tuned, we've got many more. He was American physicist, or physician I should say, Klinefelter syndrome, not clean, that would be more German, Klinefelter syndrome. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.